Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Mariana and I'm the event planner at Cloudprinter.com. I'm very happy to welcome all of you on our webinar. And today we are talking about print and sell all around the globe via Shopify and Cloudprinter.com. If you will have any questions, you feel free to write them down and we will have a short Q&A session after our webinar, after this presentation. And today I'm not alone. Today I am with Romana. Romana, she is the app manager. And if you would like to choose a ready-to-go app, you can for sure write to Romana. So she will choose ready-to-go app according to your business model and Cloud Printer capabilities. Hi, Romana.
Hi, everyone. Nice to see you all today. I'm happy that you joined. Today, we'll talk about one of our apps, which is Shopify. But before that, for those who do not know a lot about Cloudprinter, let's make a small introduction. So Cloudprinter.com is the leading print API platform that enables local printing anywhere in the world. We are covering for now 104 countries, where we have 170 production providers, and we print mostly in each country of the world. For now, our team counts 70 people, and we have offices in different parts of the world. That's Denmark, Netherlands, Ukraine, and India, and our team is growing all the time. So as I mentioned, Cloudprinter is print API platform, and you can connect easily to us either through the full API, which will need actually some development part, but it will be customized and you can do it with any website or any platform that you're using for your business, or you can use one of our print apps, and actually Shopify is among them. So as you're attending today, you already have the Shopify store, or maybe you are just planning to have it. So what you will get by using our app, you can optimize your order process for your end customers. You will have real-time order updates, and you can offer to your end customers multiple delivery options, and you don't have upfront costs. So actually you pay only when you already have the order from your end customer. In general, how Cloudprinter works, when we get the order from you, in milliseconds, our smart routing algorithm is searching for the best print provider for this order. So actually, we analyze the delivery address. Also, we analyze the product and print requirements. We analyze the shipping options that are available from this print partner, and of course, pricing and partner performance, which means quality of print and the delivery time and so on. So in milliseconds, your order goes through and automatically is sent through the API to one of our print partners. What we will talk today. So actually, we will go through on how to connect your Shopify store to Cloudprinter. Then the possibilities of the app, we will go through the main settings, and I will show you how to set up everything. Also, we will together link one of the products. I will show you the price check inside the app, so we don't need to go to Cloudprinter dashboard for that. I will show you how to set up shipping and what options we have for it. Also, we'll briefly talk about payment methods in Cloudprinter, and I will show you from the inside how it looks and how the order flow goes. So let's move now to the Shopify. If you don't have our app, so the first step will be actually to add the app in the store. You just go to Shopify, type Cloudprinter, and add the app. Save this. After that, you will need to log in and authorize to the app. For that, you will need Cloudprinter account. If you still don't have it, it's for free, and you can create it on this link here. You will need to choose Print Cloud account, put your name, surname, email, and so on, and it takes like 1 minute to set up. After that, you will see here the redirect URI, which you will need to copy. And here, there is direct link to the Cloudprinter dashboard, to the page of Shopify. I already have it here, so let's just show it how it's in the beginning. You tick the box, you put the link, and you just save it. That's fine. Then when you go back to Shopify, you will need to log in. You put your credentials, choose the account, and that's it. You're already authorized and can use all of the functions. What's next? Now I will show you what settings we have and how to set up them. Generally, when we start, we always recommend to use Sandbox order mode. That's actually the testing environment, which allows you to set up everything and to see how the orders go through, to see all the statuses and signals, but the order will not be printed and shipped. And of course, you will not pay for this order. So we recommend to put this mode until you do all the testing you need. And when you're ready to start, you just switch to live mode, which will mean that the orders will go live. Also, we have different order submissions, automatic and manual. Automatic means, I have it enabled here, that each order for the product that is linked to Cloudprinter will automatically go to Cloudprinter. So you don't need manually to check all the time the new orders. You will get them automatically. If you want to have it manual, for example, you need to choose some options, or you need to check something before the order, or you're not sure about something, you can do it manually. The last function here is minimum price margin. And this is the safety feature, but be careful with it. Here you can put different percentage. And for example, if I put 10%, that will mean that if the price of the product that you're selling on, for example, you're selling for, let's say, 10 euros, if it goes the same as the price of Cloudprinter, or the price margin is less than 10%, then it will just block the order. So your end customer will not be able to buy this product. This is made for you not to make some mistake when you put the pricing, but be careful because, of course, you can lose the client. So here you can put any number, but do not put very big in case something happens and you can lose the order. You can also put like a 0 here or even minus. Let's say for you, if you lose one time in thousands times, 5% is okay for you, but you will have the notification that this order goes on minimum price margin. So after that, you will just go to your products and change the sell price. Pricing for products in Cloudprinter do not change often. Our print partners always notify us in 3 months in advance about changing the prices. So as well, you will be notified that, for example, for those particular products, the price will rise in 3 months for 5%. So you have enough time to review your prices, to review your products, and change it in your store. Also, our pricing is like real time. So sometimes there can be some small fluctuations on currency exchange rates, but for that you have this function, so you're sure that you're not losing your money. Let's go next. What we should do also, that's linking products. You can link all your products that you have here in the store to the Cloudprinter, or you can link just some of them. How do you do this? You press link product and you choose the product from the list that you want to link. For example, I have here a business card, and I have, as you see, 3 options of different paper. You cannot link all of them because here you need to choose different options, but I propose that you link together to one product and then just add it for these two options. I will show you how. So we choose this business card. We choose the product category. We choose the product. Here we have product quantity. For example, for business card, we have like set of range. So the minimum is 50, and then it goes more, and more. And here we have product options. We can set a link for it. The link should be public, of course, and also it should be automatically downloadable. So when the order comes, our system can automatically download the file. It depends where you store the file. In any place, it's like possible to create this link. And if you don't know how, I'll like explain you on that. Also here, we have the product price calculator, so you don't need to go all the time to Cloudprinter dashboard to check the price. You can do it here. So let's say we take Netherlands, and we see the price. Here is the product price for Cloudprinter, and here we have shipping options. In most cases, if you give the choice to your customers, they will see that they have like untracked option, which is €3.50, and express ground tracked, which is €4.49. Also, to this price, we are adding Cloudprinter fee, which can differ. On the basic plan, it's €2.50 per order and 25 cents per item. So, for example, if your end customer orders 10 items, then it will be €5 per order. If he orders one item, it's €2.75. Also, we have different plans where you can pay €1.50 and 15 cents per item. You can find also this information on the website and read it again. So here I set everything up and I just save. Then you will see that we have linked 3 of the options, but here I want to change the option for paper. So I just go to edit and change it for 300 and save. And the same for 350. So even if you have a lot of options, you can firstly link all of them to one product category, and then just for this option, you change a little bit and then save. It will save you a lot of time. So here we can see all the products that are linked to Cloudprinter. So if the order goes to any of these products, it will be sent to the Cloudprinter system. Then let's talk a little bit about shipping. In shipping, we have like 2 shipping modes. One is automated, which is actually recommended, and one is manual. What is the difference? With automated shipping, you need such a service which is called calculated shipping rates, and this service is provided by Shopify. That means that some third party, in this case Cloudprinter, can give you automatically the rates for the orders. In Shopify, they don't give this service to all the customers. They require to have either advanced Shopify plan or annual Shopify plan. It can be any plan that you're using, just it needs to be paid annually. Or if you're using just simple plan and pay monthly, you can add this function for additional $20 per month. And for this, you need to contact Shopify because it's totally their part. If you don't want to do this, you can go with manual shipping. But I need to say that it will take more time and your customers will have only one option of shipping with some stable price. But it's also possible, and some of our customers just want to go with it because they want to control the shipping price and they want to put the ones that they want. So I will show you the two ways on how to set up them. If you go with automated shipping, you choose it here, and then you need to go to settings of Shopify. You choose shipping from the list, and here you need to create new profile. You can add all of the products, or you can add only Cloudprinter products or only some of the products that you want to be on this shipping. I will choose all products. Then you can create different shipping zones. For example, I want to add all of them. It's quite a long list, so let's stop here. We just put some name. It's internal name, so your customers will not see it. And you press done. After that, you need to add rate. And here you choose use carrier or app to calculate. And in this case, it will be Cloudprinter. Yeah, so you see CP provider. Also here you can tick the box if you want to automatically add new shipping services that we provide, because sometimes some new appear, so they will be automatically available for your end customers. And here also we have handling fee. If you want to put some margin on the shipping, it's possible. We do not recommend to put a big one and not to have very expensive shipping for customers, but some of it you can put either a percentage or some flat amount. So for example, if I put percentage here, then if shipping in Cloudprinter costs €5, then for your end customer, it will be 5.5. And this 50 cents you will get back on your account. For your end customer, they will not know about this fee. They will just see the final price. So it will be automatically calculated and displayed to them. That's all. So actually, automatic shipping, you can set up like in 1 minute, and it's ready to go. If we go with manual shipping, then we need to do a little bit more. As you remember, when we were linking product, we saw there the price check, and we checked the price of the product, and we checked the shipping price. So actually, for setting up manual shipping, you need to check the price for each product and for each quantity of products, and also for each region, because mostly prices are similar, but they can differ. For example, in the United States, the same product can be €4 shipping, and in Europe, it can be €3 or €5. So if you know that the shipping price differs a lot in the regions, you can just set up different zones. So when you create shipping zone, as I showed you, you can create it different for any region or even for particular country. For example, I checked that Cloudprinter price for shipping is €4 for some product, let's say business card. So when I set up shipping here, I choose Europe. Maybe they were created before, because already I created the one before, so we need to delete it because we will have two the same, and they will, create some problem in the end. So we create from scratch. We create Europe. Yeah, let's take just one country for now. And here you need to add rates by your own. So actually here, let's put just standard, and that's the name that your end customers will see. And here we put the price. For example, we checked that the price is €4, and some were 4.5, and some were 5. So to be sure, I want to put 5.5. So I know that it covers the shipping for sure. And we add conditions. So let's say for one item, I know that one item is up to 10 euros. It will be 5.5. Then we can add more. And for example, for bigger delivery, it will be 7 euro. So also I add condition, and here is from 11 to, let's say, 30. So here you actually need to create a logic when you have different pricing for different items and for different products. It will take more time, but also you set up once and then use it for later on. Also here, with the shipping, you need to put to manually configure. And also here, if you have automatic order submission, then you can choose tracked or untracked shipping. So when our algorithm is choosing the shipping option for you, then it's searching or among tracked shipping or among untracked and tracked shipping. If you put manual submission, as I put here, then when you receive the order, you will be able to choose shipping method by your own. So actually your customer will see just standard and see the price. And then when you receive the order, you can think like, okay, the price is good here. I want to put like fast delivery because this client is very important for me. I put the fastest delivery. Or let's say the price is not very okay, I will put another delivery. So you can choose by your own. So here, if we put, just show you automated, then we can choose track untrack. That's how it works. Also, let's now see how the order goes through from the end customer side. I will change to automated shipping just to show you how end customer will choose from the shipping options. So we will set up it here to be sure that it works automatically. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, we have it. So when you go to our store, your end customer is choosing the product, choosing some options here and quantity. Of course, the view can be different. It all depends on how you build it. Here, I already have my address and everything saved. So we continue to shipping. So actually, we change it here. Let's just create the automated shipping again. So be careful if you choose like automated shipping and then you also add some rates for manual. It can not be saved. So just put one. So you're sure that for one product and for one region, you have only one type of rates. Here also, if you choose manual, then you will not see the methods. Okay, now it's enabled.
Yeah, sometimes it's taking just quite a long time. We are patient. We're just waiting.
Thank you for this. Yeah, finally loaded. Then, yeah. Oh, we need to save here. Don't forget it because it will not work. Okay, so we have profile created. And let's go back to our store. Yeah, now we have shipping methods. You see it also added a little bit because I put 10% on it. So we have postal and we have express ground. I want to go with this one and continue to payment. This is a test store, so I will not pay like the real payment, but just to show you the whole process, we'll do like this. Now I will show you how it looks for your end customer. You see already I have the message that my order is confirmed. That's from the end customer side. So when I'm ordering on your store, I will receive that, okay, thank you for the purchase. I can view my order, visit the store again. I see the summary, what I choose, the pricing, and also the shipping address, method, and everything is here. Then if we go back to the store, how you will see the order from your side. You see, I have a new order. It's invoiced. The status will be changed when it goes to production, when it's completed, and when it's delivered. You will have different order statuses. Because I use Sandbox mode, so my status is just Sandbox done. So here I can check the order, if everything is fine, delivery, and here also you will have order events. So what's happening now, it was just placed, and when it goes to production, you will have different events here. Also, we have the function of reordering. In case your end customer is not happy with the product, something is broken or something was not printed well, he can always reorder, and that's for free. So you just press this button and you put the reason of the reorder. We have different of them, and then the same shipping address, and your end customer will get it. Also, if you're using, here you see I have automated order submission. So everything got automated. I can just wake up in the morning and see, oh, okay, I have 20 orders and they went through and maybe they're already in production. If you go with manual order submission, then you will see like this button, post to CP. So you can check something, you see some event, and then you just post to Cloud Printer. Also, of course, you can use the orders tab of Shopify, where you see more details. And for example, if you're not using Cloud Printer for all of the products, then you will see here, has Cloud Printer product or no Cloud Printer product. So yeah, if it has Cloud Printer product, it will go to us either automatically or manually by you. If no, then maybe you do it with someone else, or you have just not linked the product yet. So here you have more details, but the same with the shipping, if it's paid or no, and all the confirmation and etc. Then also about payment, how do you pay for Cloud Printer and how it works? Actually, you're paying only after you receive the order from the end customer. So for example, here I received the order, I received 20 euros on my account. And at the same time, when it's posting to Cloud Printer, it will charge the credit card. So in Cloud Printer, you go to the dashboard and you add the payment method. You put all the details of the credit card, the expiration date, like a standard. And then one by one, for each order, it will be charged. If you have a lot of orders and it's not good for you to be charged a lot of times a day, then there is a way to put some money on the account, like a deposit, and then you proceed the orders. When the sum is finished, then we notify you that your sum is going to the end. You need to refill it again. So it's up to you which way to choose, but we always recommend to start with the credit card, and then you see if it's more comfortable for you to put some in advance, then it's okay as well. That's actually all, briefly. Maybe you will have some questions.
Thank you for a great presentation. I think it was very useful for people who are already using the Shopify app or would like to use Shopify app. We have a couple questions here, so I'll just read a little bit. The first one, let's say I'm sending custom business cards on my website to the and the customer provides the print files. How is the process of transferring the print files for these types of orders?
Yeah, I was expecting this question because, of course, a lot of businesses have customized products. And here we have like advanced settings. That is when your files are generated like dynamically, because you remember when we were linking the product, there was the option, I will show now again. There was the option of getting the link, uploading, or dynamic files. Here it is. Yeah. And here is dynamic files, personalized. And then you need to go to settings to advanced. Here, actually, you will need a little bit of development. You will need to set up the API endpoint for our system to understand where the file is located and how we can get it. So once you set it up, for every order, we will see the file that your end customer generates, and it will automatically go to our system. There is also another way, which actually will be added in 2 days. It's the new feature of the app. It's not ready yet, it's in development, but yeah, after 2 days, it will be ready. That's the ability to add files manually. For example, if you're using some designer and this design is not generated automatically, but you do this design by your own or the designer does this, then there will be an ability when you proceed the order manually. As I showed you the orders panel, there will be a button when you just put like upload or you put the link. So when the order is already received, you can provide the file afterwards. That's one of the way. And another way, as I showed automatically, it's creating this API endpoint. If you will have troubles on it, we have our development team and also me, that we can advise you on how to do this.
Awesome, great. The next question is, can someone integrate from with the Amazon? Because people need to order in their platform to leave the reviews.
If you're using Amazon for your business, we have integration with Amazon, but it's not direct integration as we have with Shopify. We have it through the Zapier. Zapier, in short words, it's kind of bridge which connects different apps to another app. So actually, Zapier will connect Cloudprinter to Amazon. You will need to set up some zaps, how they call it, but it's actually just like here, you set up the product, you set up everything, and then it works automatically. In future, I think we will have the native app for Amazon, but for now, it's only from the Zapier. And also there is another way, for example, if you use different platforms, let's say you use Shopify and Amazon and I know Etsy, then there is a way that you transfer your orders from Amazon to Shopify. In Shopify, there is the function that you can create the order by yourself, but it requires a little bit of manual work because every time you get the order on Amazon, you will need to add it here manually. You can estimate a little bit using CSV files. So you can just download CSV files for the addresses of your customers in Amazon and upload it to Shopify. But some of the things are still manual. So, yeah, we have different options, and it's always good to discuss, personally to find the best solution for your business.
Yes, I already told you that Romana, she's a super pro in all of the connected apps and integration that we have. So just to tell you, I wanted to tell you in the end, but everyone will get the email where you can have a link to schedule a meeting with Romana. So feel free to do that. We still have two or couple more. Oh, I see the couple more questions. Let's choose two. So can I use all gifting? Can I use all gifting products in Brazil?
That's a good question. Actually, that is better to check with the regional manager, because we have like 5,000 products, and as I mentioned, 104 countries. So like we cannot keep everything in mind, but you can also go like to the dashboard and to the products. And then when you go to gifting, you can check the countries here as well. But the best way is to contact me, or I will then transfer to the regional manager of the Brazil, and he will just make like a list for you for all the products from gifting category and all the sizes that you need, and just check if they're available in Brazil, or maybe you want more countries. So we are checking for all of them and then send the list to you. It's the easiest way.
Yeah, and then just one more. How can we see the list of countries the system can deliver to us?
So actually, again, there are two ways. You can either choose the product, and here also, as we had in Shopify, we had here in the dashboard, you can make a price check for any country. Unfortunately, you cannot see the full list of countries. For each country, you need to check. So the best way is to use the second option. Just provide your regional manager the information of what products and what countries are you interested in, and he will provide you the Excel file of that. That will be more automated and easier way.
All right. So we still have a lot of questions here, but okay, the last one.
Okay, we still have time.
Yeah. Do you have a custom designer to the end user on a different print products in pipeline in the near future?
Yeah, good question. Now we are building it, and it's mostly finished. I cannot say the exact release date because there is still some development part on it. But I can say that the first designer that we will have will be Media Clip. And firstly, it will be available on Shopify, then also on Ecommerce and on API. So it will be easy to use, easy to set up, and your end customer can use them. And also, we are planning to add other designers in the future. So we'll update on this.
Awesome. Great. All right. Still have a lot of questions. How can we contact Romana? How can we schedule a meeting? Where to find Romana? So just telling you at the end that every one of you will get the thank you email. Over there you can find the Romana contact, so you can just schedule a meeting with her. You can also just write to me, and then I'll schedule a meeting with Romana as well. In 3 days, you will get the recording of this webinar, so it'll be easier for you to just remind in your mind everything what we were talking about. Today was a great webinar. Thank you to all of the attendees. Thank you, Romana, for a great presentation. Stay tuned to our next webinar series. We will be not talking just about Shopify. We will be talking about different connected apps that we are having. Just stay tuned then.
See you. Thank you, everyone, for attention, and waiting you on a call or email.
Yeah, me too. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Bye.